Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Now, if you're on the hunt for a foundation that balances your skin's needs, no matter how fickle they might be, I've got something special for you today. We're diving into Clinique's Superbalanced Oil-Free Liquid Foundation. This is a product that promises to cater to both dry and oily skin types, while offering hydration and moisture. But does it deliver? Let's find out. Clinique's Superbalanced Oil-Free Liquid Foundation is designed to meet the needs of combination, dry, and oily skin types. The foundation is available in various shades, with the one I'm testing today being AF Porcelain Beige CN62, a moderately fair shade with cool neutral undertones. The product is fragrance-free, oil-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free, which makes it a great option for those who prefer a more skin-friendly, non-irritating formula. So, what does it do exactly? The foundation is intended to hydrate dry areas of your skin while controlling oiliness in the T-zone. It promises a natural finish that isn't too matte or dewy, striking the perfect balance for those of us with combination skin. The goal is to create a foundation that doesn't exacerbate dry patches or make oily spots worse. Sounds like a dream, right? But how well does it live up to that? When I first applied it, I noticed the formula is quite smooth and easy to blend, which is a huge plus. The liquid texture is light yet buildable. I went for one layer and the coverage was medium, which is pretty good for covering redness and minor blemishes. It's not the heaviest coverage, but it leaves the skin looking naturally even. I could definitely build it up for a fuller coverage without it getting cakey. Now let's talk about how it feels. I have dry patches around my cheeks and oily spots on my forehead and nose. The foundation did a decent job at hydrating the dry areas, but it also kept the oily zones in check without making them look greasy. It felt breathable throughout the day, which I really appreciated. No heavy, sticky feeling. It lasted about 8 hours before I started to notice some fading around my nose, but nothing too drastic. One thing to note, if you have extremely dry skin or you're looking for full coverage, this might not be your holy grail. The foundation does hydrate, but is more suited to those who have skin that fluctuates between dry and oily, or if you just need something lightweight for a day-to-day look. For full-on coverage or very dry skin, you might need to layer a good moisturizer underneath. In terms of performance, I really like how versatile this foundation is. It adapts well to my skin's needs, and I can see how it could work for a variety of skin types. It's definitely not a one-size-fits-all product though. If you're looking for something that controls oil all day long, this may fall a bit short. On the other hand, if you're looking for something that offers decent hydration while keeping shine at bay, you might find this foundation a keeper. So, what are the pros and cons? Let's break it down. On the plus side, it's lightweight, comfortable, and has a natural finish. It's easy to apply and blend, and the fact that it hydrates while controlling oil is impressive. However, if you need full coverage or have extremely dry skin, you might need to look elsewhere or layer it with a thicker moisturizer. Now, let's talk value. At a price point that's more mid-range, it's in line with similar foundations that offer a good balance of oil control and hydration. Given that Clinique is known for being dermatologically tested and suitable for sensitive skin, I'd say the price is justified for what you're getting. But, as always, if you're budget conscious, there are alternatives, especially from brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal, which offer similar formulas at a lower price. As for the build quality, the packaging is classic Clinique, simple, clean, and easy to use. It doesn't feel overly luxurious, but it's durable and functional. No complaints there. And if you're wondering about customer service, Clinique's reputation is solid. I've had a few interactions with them, and they're responsive and helpful, especially when it comes to questions about product formulations and suitability for sensitive skin. To wrap up, Clinique's Superbalanced Oil-Free Liquid Foundation is an excellent choice for those with combination skin or anyone who struggles with both dry patches and oily zones. It does what it says, hydrates dry spots and controls oil in the T-zone. However, if you have very dry skin or need more coverage, you might want to look at other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today, and as always, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description box below. Have you tried Clinique's Superbalanced Oil-Free Foundation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.